One of the best spots in my morning walk travels. Take y'all with me. Try to go slow. We're in South Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Yeah, it's raining out, we know. Clearing up though. We'll see what happens. I see the light at the end of the tunnel. Let's go get it, guys. Oh, watch out for the fallen tree. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Almost there to the finish line. You see a lot of deer in here for sure, all year. They eat all these bushes and crap. A couple times a year you might hit a deer on these parkways. Yeah, it's going that way, but we're gonna go this way. But I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Have fun, gang.